Hello guys, I just wanted to make a quick video on how to install the TradingView machine learning library. The first thing you want to go ahead and do is download Python 3.9.2. If you're on a different operating system, they have Windows, Linux, Mac, and others. Once you go ahead and download Python, restart your computer. It's very important that you restart your computer. The next thing you're going to do is install PyCharm Community Edition. This is the free version. As well, you're going to download Firefox and install Firefox. And the last thing is on GitHub, we're going to download, which you click here, you click download the zip file for the TradingView machine learning program. Now that you've done all this, we could get started with installing the software. So the first thing you're going to do is go ahead and click PyCharm. You're not going to see anything here, so just go ahead and click New Project. Name the project anything you like. Right here, I'm going to put TradingView test. Select your environment. You should see your interpreter here, which is Python 3.9 or 3.9.2. Click Create. Now that you created your new project, go back to your desktop. You'll see the zip file that you downloaded. Just right click it, extract it, and you'll get a new folder like this. Once you have done that, go back to PyCharm, go to File, Open. In here, you're going to look for your desktop. And go ahead and find that folder. Click OK. Open in this window. When you did this successfully, you should see all 4 folders: database, function, scripts, and strategies. Next, we're going to go ahead and install the actual packages that we need to run this program. Click Terminal. To install the packages, what you're going to go ahead and do is inside this GitHub file, you'll actually see all the packages here. You can go ahead and copy all of those and paste them. Now all the packages to make this program are installed and you're ready to use the script. To use the script, go ahead to the scripts folder. Depending on the script that you want to use, in this case we'll use stop loss. You'll load that script here, and inside where it says enter your TradingView profile link here, this is when you have your TradingView account. You'll actually, when you're looking at a chart, so like in this case I'm looking at a chart, I see at the very top that's the same thing. So they're both the same. You're going to have different numbers right here, but just go ahead and click your correct URL, enter it there. And then you could go ahead and run the script. And by running the script, you click Run. You'll see stop loss linear, and the script will run. In this case, if you see an error like this, file not found error, the system could not find the path specified, which is this. To fix that error, you go to Functions, you go to WebDriver, and this specific file needs to be changed. So this is my file, my old file, but let me go ahead and add the correct path for Firefox. So when I'm at Firefox, on the top, I'm going to type about profiles. This is the file that you need. Copy that. Go to the script. Paste it here. Now when you run the script again, you won't get any errors. And well, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching this video, and if you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment in the description below.